Welcome to Elecsys Manufacturing Corporation. Please sit back and join me to tour you virtually at our company. This is the lobby area. This is the business room. This is the conference room. This is the general office where HR, admin, IT, logistics, sales, purchasing, accounting, directors and president is in. Elecsys has a Material Requirements Planning System or the MRP with the combination of Enterprise Resource Planning System or the ERP that accelerates the manufacturing production process by determining what raw materials, components and sub-assemblies are needed, and when to assemble the finished goods, based on demand and bill of material and resources across the entire organization, including financial management, order management, customer relationship management, people, procurement, warehousing and fulfillment. Elecsys has quality management system that documents processes, procedures, and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. A QMS helps coordinate and direct an organization's activities to meet customer and regulatory requirements and improve its effectiveness and efficiency on a continuous basis. Elecsys is IATF 16949 certified that quality management standard specifically for the automotive industry. Based on the internationally recognized quality management standard ISO 9001, IATF 16949 is supplemented by numerous automotive-specific requirements. It primarily targets automobile manufacturers and companies in the spare parts and series production sector. Upon receiving information from the sales team about request for quotation on new models from customers, engineering team initiates to review and check the initial provided data files like bill of materials, Gerber files, assembly drawings, and others. BOM shall be uploaded into the MRP system, classifying whether turnkey or consignment. This will support purchasing team in sourcing and determining the item price for quotation purposes. Review of Gerber files and fabrication of process jigs are part of these activities. Use of 3D CAD designing with existing CNC machine and 3D printer plays major supporting role. This is the production jig made by CNC milling machine. This is the production jig made by 3D printer machine.
For well-coordinated activities with other departments, NPI meeting is being conducted to discuss details of the product and the processes and quality requirements. Customers' process and quality requirements are also being reviewed to confirm capability to meet these requirements. Whether consigned or turnkey material, warehouse receiving party unloads the cargo once the inbound shipment gets to the warehouse and check the invoice or packing information. Once the material passed on the receiving, it will go through our internal labeling and update it to our MRP system. Once the labeling is done, it will go through our incoming quality control and update it to our MRP system.
Elecsys is also capable of dimensional measurement with an automated, instant measurement system that provides highly accurate and repeatable measurement data in seconds with accuracy up to 2 microns.
If the material passed on incoming quality control, it will be stored on the ESD compliant rack and ready to be issued in the production line. Elecsys has production planning and inventory control department that checks and plan the job to be loaded in production SMT and final assembly by the use of MRP system.
This is the production SMT area. Production SMT has a total of 6 flexible lines. For the Elecsys SMT line configuration. First, is the automatic PCB loader. Second, is the automatic high-precision solder paste printer machine. Third, is the high-precision automatic solder paste inspection machine. Fourth, 2 pieces high-speed high-precision chip mounter that can mount 78,000 components per hour. Fifth, is the high-speed high-precision IC placer that can mount BGA's fine-pitch QFP, QFN and other big, hard-to-mount components. Sixth, is the nitrogen reflow oven. Seventh, is the 3D automatic optical inspection machine.
To ensure the components placed by the machine is correct, SMT in-process quality control checks every material that is loaded to the machine by Elecsys part number and actual checking it on LCR meter equipment. Elecsys is also capable to inspect under the component by the use of semiconductor type X-ray machine. Elecsys is also capable of repairing BGA and other bottom-terminated components by the use of BGA rework machine with optical alignment method. To ensure the quality, after the AOI process it will go to our SMT outgoing quality control for sampling inspection.
This is the production final assembly area. Our production final assembly maintains 7 lines workstations with 16 meters of full conveyorized on each line with board programming and full functional test in between workstations. All workers are qualified and skilled on each workstation.
To ensure the process and quality, final assemble in-process quality control checks and monitor the actual line compare with the controlled work instructions.
All passed to our final testing. A unique QR label was attached as part of our product traceability and maintained in our database. This is the automatic depaneling machine. Elecsys utilized universal automatic insertion machine that can insert and clinch axial mounted and radial inserted components. This is the wave soldering machine.
Elecsys has a selective soldering machine to solder individual through hole components on a PCB using a solder fountain. The machine includes a flux spray, preheater, and a soldering pot that feeds a solder fountain. The solder fountain or head moves to the position to solder from underneath. Elecsys has an aqueous cleaning systems that use deionized water which are less hazardous to operate with heat and mechanical energy to clean parts.
Conformal coating materials was applied using PVA coating machine. This is the burn-in room. This is the CCA testing equipment. This is the system test stations. To ensure the quality of our product,
After the final assembly inspection, it will go to our outgoing quality control for sampling inspection and testing.
Laser etching tools is also used on selective models.
This is one of the several ultrasonic welding machine.
This is the RF shielding room. This is the packing area. And that's all for Elecsys Virtual Tour. Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiries or question, please call our telephone number +63046 437 7697 or +63046 437 7696, or you may also email us at sales@elecsysmfg.com.